Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is my very first internet instructional video. Today I'm going to show you how to microwave peeps in the microwave and to make, well, it turns out crunchy and delicious and chewy and all those wonderful things. So, as you see, right here I have the last 4 peeps left over from Easter. So, first thing, set that there. You take and separate your peeps. I'm using a paper bowl because I don't have a paper plate. For some reason paper works better because it doesn't absorb as much energy from the microwave, and because, well, it just works better. Anyway, so you got your peeps. I tend to like to arrange them like that so they don't spill over the side because, well, this is the fun part. The other reason to use a paper bowl is so you don't have to wash the damn thing when it's done. Because cooked on sugar is really hard to get off. Alright. Now, you microwave this for 56 seconds. There's a lot of fine tuning that went into that. And now the fun part. Just watch this thing blow up. With a less powerful microwave, or if you got one of those little mini apartment size microwaves, you probably want to put it in for maybe a little bit longer, but if you've got a real microwave, 56 seconds is long enough. Watch those peeps grow. So now you have your massive microwaved marshmallow peeps. And they look all kind of funky and gross and brown on the inside because that's burnt sugar anyway. One of the fun things to do is grab them and stretch them into a bizarre kind of modern art shape. And if you hold it there and let them cool, it'll actually stand that way. And it also helps more of it get crunchy because the closer, or the more you leave it, the more chewy it ends up. The faster it cools, the crunchier it gets. That's not going to do it for me. Anyway, and that's how you microwave peeps in the microwave. So grab yourself some coffee and enjoy. Excellent.